In case you haven't heard, Faraday Future Intelligent Electric Inc. has changed its Class A common stock ticker symbol from FFIE to FFAI, reflecting the company's strategic focus on AI-driven innovation and commitment to its AI-centric approach. The change aligns with Faraday Future's recently introduced FX brand strategy. No action is required from stockholders in relation to this change. On a related note, all proposals presented at an earlier special meeting of the company's stockholders were approved, including increasing the number of authorized shares of common stock to meet existing obligations and potential future financings or acquisitions. The company also plans to raise additional capital from various fundraising efforts to bolster its cash position. Additionally, the FX mass market strategy saw progress as 2 prototype mules departed Shanghai en route to FF's Los Angeles headquarters. There are also plans to expand into the New York State EV market with premium leasing services for its FF91 2.0 model and potential future FX models. The focus will be on flexible lease terms and tailored solutions to cater to users in the New York marketplace. Recently, a leasing contract was signed with Univest Securities, LLC, an investment bank located in New York City, for an FF91 2.0 electric vehicle. This marks Faraday Future's official entry into the East Coast market and serves as a strategic foundation for future market expansion, potentially opening doors to a broader high-end user base in the area. The delivery is scheduled for the end of March, representing a significant opportunity for both Faraday Future and its future FX brand. This comes on the heels of Faraday Future's plans to open an office in the New York metro area to support its investor relations function, indicating a growth opportunity for both FF and FX in one of the world's largest economic hubs for EVs. In the management sphere, Wensheng Chen has been appointed to oversee plant operations and manufacturing quality at its California-based factory. Chen brings 2 decades of experience from companies such as Singolado Automobile Co., Volvo Luqiao, Global Electronics Testing Services, Beijing Automobile Group Co., and a degree in automotive engineering from the Beijing Institute of Technology. For more on Faraday Future and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.